Orlando Pirates 0, Durban City 0, Betway Premiership. This is the Talk Football SA. What can you say about the game?
As a Pagani, I'm very disappointed with today's game. We came all out to support the boys, but unfortunately it was not to be. But I think in Bombela next week we have to wrap it. Because now we are under pressure now going into Bombela. I think our boys must be clinical in front of goals so that we can take this. This is on the silver platter. We just have to take it. It's for us to take it. So if we fail this, I don't know where I'm gonna live my life. Now I have to hibernate like snakes, and then I can come out in summer. So I'm very disappointed with this. We should have wrapped up this game. Look, the arena was full of everyone here. Unfortunately, we couldn't win the game. But anyway, we go to Bombela. It's not finished. We're going to take the game in Bombela and take lift the cup individually. Thank you, my brother.
Were you happy with the lineup?
I was happy with the lineup. Unfortunately, we couldn't score our goals. We couldn't take our chances. It's one of those in football game. Unfortunately, I can't say anything. But next week is still a game. We're going to win against Orbit. It's for us for the taking. Thank you, Pagania.
No, thank you.